Alright, here we are. I'm going to try to measure the LRA before the hard start kit is installed. Jumps up pretty fast. I was unable to keep it at max and check it out. It just kept saying OL. So let's go ahead and I'll go ahead and start it up and see what we got. We'll probably have to watch it slow motion later to check the LRA. Alright, I was unable to check the LRA. Looks like we're running right around 12 amps. And according to the chart here, RLA should be around 19. Alright, according to the carrier diagram, there's a couple specific places they'd like to see a hard start kit installed. So I'm going to go ahead and make an attempt to at least get it roughly in that area there. Alright, so there we go. So I have the start capacitor resting on a little tab right about here that they wanted you to set it on. It's not much of a tab, but I guess it'll do. Now to put in the relay. Alright, so that took a little finessing to get that relay in there and lined up. So this is a 3-wire hard start. It's pretty simple here on the diagram on how to do this. Going to the run capacitor, we want the yellow wire to go down to Herm. The red wire will go to C. And the black wire will come over here to our common on the relay. Alright, we're going to run these other wires. We're going to run a red back up to the other end of the start capacitor. Yellow over to number 2. And black over to number 5. Alright, so looks like we're all wired up there. Alright, so with everything verified that it's wired up correctly, we're going to go ahead and apply power and see if we can see what the amperage reading is for lock run.